Have you ever imagined having an orchid garden that is always radiant, where each flower competes to show off its beauty all year round? Hello, welcome to the Great Garden channel. In today's video, I will share with you a simple orchid care method, using only familiar, easy to find, and inexpensive ingredients, but delivering very noticeable results. Just by applying it correctly, the plant will be healthy from the roots. The leaves will be dark green, thick and glossy. Especially, the flowers will bloom evenly with vibrant colors and long-lasting beauty without requiring overly complicated care. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any orchid care tips on Great Garden. Let's get started. Do you have aloe vera at home? This is an aloe vera plant that I have grown for 2 years. It looks very lush, with thick, plump leaves and consistent growth over the years. The leaves are large and contain a lot of natural gel, not only good for health, but also very useful for plant care. Cut 1 aloe vera leaf to use as a nutrient solution for orchids. After cutting, rinse the leaf under running water to remove dirt and the yellow latex layer, aloeing on the outside. This helps make the solution safer for the plant, reduces irritation, and helps the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, cut the aloe vera into small slices as shown. Aloe vera contains many vitamins, enzymes, and natural minerals that help stimulate roots, increase resistance, and improve plant growth. Cutting it into small pieces helps release the inner gel, increasing the contact area so that nutrients dissolve more easily into water and are absorbed more effectively by the plant when used. After cutting, prepare a clean glass cup. Next, put all the sliced aloe vera into the cup. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Then pour about 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature. Use a spoon to stir well so the aloe vera gel gradually dissolves into the water, forming a uniform solution. Finally, cover and let it sit for about 1 hour so the nutrients from the aloe vera are fully extracted, making the solution more effective when used for the plant. During that time, I proceed to trim away dry and damaged roots. Removing old and rotten roots helps limit the spread of fungal diseases while creating space for new roots to grow. As a result, the plant focuses its nutrients on the healthy parts, helping the recovery process happen faster and more steadily. After that, use clean water to gently rinse the plant. Rinsing not only helps wash away dirt, residue, and remaining sap on the roots after trimming, but also cleans the entire base area of the plant. As a result, the root surface becomes more ventilated, limiting the growth of harmful bacteria and fungi. In addition, this step also helps remove any remaining weak root tissue, preventing rot from spreading to healthy roots. At the same time, clean water helps soothe the cut surfaces, reducing shock to the plant after treatment and helping it stabilize more quickly. Moreover, rinsing also helps rebalance the initial moisture level, creating a clean, slightly moist, but not waterlogged environment, a very important condition for new root formation. After 1 hour, I filter out all the residue, keeping only the pure aloe vera water. Careful filtering makes the solution smooth and clean, free of sediment, avoiding clogging during use and limiting bacterial growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Add about 1 liter of clean water to dilute the aloe vera solution. That's it. I now have a fertilizer solution for the plants in the garden. Let's start applying it to the plants. Method 1. Use a soft cotton pad soaked in the aloe vera solution. Then gently wipe both the upper and lower surfaces of the orchid leaves. This method helps remove dirt and long-standing residue on the leaf surface, keeping the leaves clean and well ventilated, thereby improving photosynthesis efficiency. In addition, the natural nutrients in aloe vera, such as vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, also help nourish the leaves, making them greener, thicker, and glossier. You can clean the leaves about once a month, or whenever you see dust accumulating, to keep your orchid pot always fresh and beautiful. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Besides orchids, I also use the aloe vera solution to wipe the leaves of peace lily plants. This method helps remove dust, keeping the leaf surface clean and well ventilated, thereby improving photosynthesis. At the same time, the natural nutrients in aloe vera help peace lily leaves become darker green, glossier, and reduce dry edges or dullness. Thanks to regular cleaning and nutrient supplementation, the plant not only becomes healthier, but also maintains a fresh, clean, and vibrant appearance. Method 2. Next, pour the diluted aloe vera solution into a spray bottle. Then mist lightly and evenly over the entire orchid, including leaves, stems, and root areas. This spraying method helps natural nutrients in aloe vera, such as vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, quickly penetrate through the leaf surface, helping the plant absorb nutrients more effectively. As a result, the orchid receives timely micronutrients, increases resistance, reduces fungal diseases, and helps roots, stems, and leaves develop more balanced and healthier. You can apply this method about 1 to 2 times per month to maintain plant health and help orchids grow steadily and sustainably. Besides orchids, you can also use this solution for many other plants. Here, I will apply it to rose plants. Aloe vera helps provide natural nutrients, improve soil conditions, and supply light moisture to the roots. At the same time, the active compounds in aloe vera help stimulate strong root development and increase nutrient absorption. As a result, rose plants grow better, with darker green and thicker leaves, and it also helps promote bud formation, allowing flowers to bloom more evenly and maintain their color longer. Method 3. Pour the remaining aloe vera solution into a watering can. Then gently water around the base of the plant. Aloe vera provides natural nutrients such as vitamins, enzymes, and minerals, helping improve the root environment and stimulate healthy root development. At the same time, the solution helps maintain stable moisture, prevents root dryness, and increases the plant's ability to absorb water and nutrients. As a result, the plant grows better, with darker green, thicker, and glossier leaves, while also increasing resistance, helping the plant stay healthy and develop sustainably over time. Results after 2 months of application: leaves become darker green, thicker and glossier. New leaves grow strong, helping photosynthesis work more efficiently. The root system also recovers quickly, with many new roots appearing, having plump green tips and firmly attaching to the growing medium. As a result, the plant absorbs nutrients more steadily, creating a solid foundation for long-term growth. In addition, shoots and flower spikes develop evenly, and the plant stem becomes stronger. The number of buds increases significantly, with large, round, and healthy buds. When blooming, the flowers have vibrant colors, are long-lasting, and fade slowly, helping the orchid pot maintain its radiant beauty for a long time. What do you think about this natural orchid care method using aloe vera? Have you ever tried applying this method to your orchids? Share your experience in the comments. This is a well-deserved result of patience and applying the correct care method. When properly nourished, the plant will respond with lasting vitality and elegant beauty. If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the Great Garden channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss simple and effective orchid care tips. See you again in the next videos on Great Garden.